Queen Chanel in the building.
Chanel,
Chase and
we have to give Chanel a lumu cocoa because she was naughty yesterday.
Hi you guys, hope you guys are doing well. If you're new to our channel, this is me, Cheryl, and here is and you? If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you're still watching this video, make sure you hit on that subscribe button. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell, so each time we post a video, you are notified.
Yes!
Yeah. If you're new to our channel, you guys, we are the
Move on family. Do you see this bed here? It's the last time you'll be seeing this bed, guys. This bed gave us 3 lovely kids.
Oh, wait,
actually,
before you finish, I'm so touched. How can you be saying that this bed is the one that gave you 3 beautiful kids?
Yeah, okay, we made 3 beautiful kids on top of this bed. Anyway, I hope our parents are not watching. Anyway, now what I meant to say, we had our 3 children when we had this bed. Guys, it's not what you think. We didn't do anything funny on top of the bed to put the bed on this position, guys. You know, if you look at the bed now, we've been supporting the owner with so many things. We'll show you guys. So finally we decided, you know what? Anyway, first of all, yesterday was our anniversary. Yeah, our wedding anniversary. You know, we got married on one faithful, lovely
our
feet of
5th
joy.
year anniversary, right?
Yes. Yeah. Can't imagine I've been supporting this.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. Can't imagine I've been supporting this wife for 5 years, Shasha. Wow.
Today we'll be reorganizing our bedroom. I mean, yeah, we just got a new bed because you can see our bed is like, it's bad. I know through the camera it doesn't look bad. Actually, if you don't even see it, like, we feel it because when we're sleeping on it, it's like bad, guys. It's bad.
Or when we are trying to, then that's when you know the bed is really bad.
Not that we even have the chance to do those things.
You know, with the children. Anyway, imagine all of us here being on the bed. How can the bed resist?
You know?
Eh?
So, this bed is actually 180 of 200, but the one that we got now is 160 of 200. Yeah. Because I do not want to see anyone in my bed.
Yeah.
Okay, guys?
Because I think our kids are taking advantage that the bed is so big.
Yeah.
And they always want to be on it. They don't even give us space to scratch each other's back. Anyway, yeah. So, guys, let's get started, you know. Nikki J's mother, I gotta do something.
A few moments later.
Nikki J,
hard work.
You're not even halfway finished, mister. You're feeling hot now, no?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Do I make Papa? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Guys, this bed has been sitting in the basement for like a month now. I was so scared because, you guys, what if something was kaput or what if something was bad in that bed, no? What a shot.
Yeah, and you had to send it
and back. I had to send it back. So it was a risk, exactly. But you know what? The parts were very heavy. The parts were very heavy. So yeah, we just left it in the basement and we're like, yeah, we'll do it. So I just wanted to get all my things, like decorations and everything for everything, but I didn't manage to do that. I just said, you know what, let's just make this bed. Yeah, and we are doing it. I'm so excited. And finding a bed was a struggle, you know, seriously, because I found one bed that I liked. I really liked it, and then the time that I wanted to buy it, it was sold out. And they were saying you could buy it again in September. Like, seriously. And then the second bed that I wanted was also, it wasn't sold out, but it was saying that they can deliver it in August. And I'm like, huh? Do I want to wait till August for that? So I was like, okay, let me go for another option of this one. Oh, actually there was a third option also. But the third option, the delivery was like 200 euros. How much was the delivery?
200 euros. Yeah,
about 200 euros, you know. So I'm like, you know what, let's just leave this. So I just got this one, although I really like it also. I really like it, and I can't wait to see how it's going to be. And also the bed was on sale, so it was a good thing. That thing is finished.
took one look and now it's falling. I knew it from the moment that I saw. Ocean not so deep that I could fall in. I didn't care about all of your flaws, and I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine. I look across and expect to see your face, then remember you're 1,000 miles away.
So you guys, you see our bed was here. So now we put these things here. You guys are going to see it when you finish it. It looks like a bit comish right now. And then my makeup thingy was on that side where there's a bed. So it has to be this side now. And then obviously there's nothing there. And then there's the wardrobe there. So yeah. We have to see how everything works, how everything will fit in. I'm so in love with this bed though.
Used to lift me up and now I'm falling. Since you left I've drifted out to sea. All the nights we danced away till morning. I miss the days that it was you and me. And I dream about you from time to time. Then wake up thinking that you're still mine. And I hope that you can find a way to make it back to me someday. I look across and expect to see your face.
Good job. It's good. Yeah.
I'm really kaput. I'm broken. I'm finished. I'm dubuzubudu.
Sorry.
I am.
Sorry. But look, guys, this is how it looks. It's looking so
It's
nice.
looking succulent.
And there, I will still have to put up my mirror for my dressing table and the lights on the side. So we decided to put that thing, those things there on the side, so there's space to move. And then I'm thinking of putting this thing here, this chair-like thing, but it's like a bench. Tell us what you guys think. Should I put it? Shouldn't I put it?
It's the matratze.
Oh.
This is the opening.
Like this.
Wow.
Mama, this bed is so high.
Yes.
I don't want to jump off. I always wish to have a high bed.
Down. Yes.
Runta.
Yes, your time is up. Runta.
Don't jump in our bed. You want to
Let me see if it's strong.
I don't think you can come. Look at the water. No, what's next to Dan? You want
I have to test it. It's strong.
Look. Where are you going?
Cairo, stop jumping on my new bed, please.
Mama,
Guys, I don't hear anyone calling my name at the moment. Please.
So guys, finally
it's like 6 o'clock in the evening now. Like we just finished and Nikki is so tired.
guys, I've never worked so hard in my life, you know, like. Oh.
So you guys, tell us what you think about our bedroom. Did we transform it? Because actually it wasn't about transforming it, it was about getting a new bed, but we found ourselves transforming things and like changing things around and everything.
Yeah, and then we just, I guess, you know, when at times you change position of things in your bedroom, and you know, our ex-bed, our ex-bed, we miss him, you know. That bed really gave us beautiful kids.
You're saying him. You're saying we'll miss her, you know.
We'll miss him. He was a man. It was.
Are you serious?
You know, because it was a man. It was a man.
Because it was black, right?
Men are always nice.
I don't know what I was thinking buying a black bed.
So anyway, guys, you know, you can see our background. We've got our new studio. So anytime we are doing our sit-up videos, we'll be doing it here. So let us know what you think about us transforming our bedroom. Maybe I think I'm doing it wrong. The roof now. Maybe I'm supposed to be a designer.
Oh, the last time you said you're supposed to be a chef.
Oh, I'm supposed to be a carpenter. Anyway, guys, so rate our performance. If you think there are things that we may put back in a certain ways.
And please tell us about this thingy here. This,
you know, but I think I'm liking it, you know, because you can sit like this for our videos,
I know, but you guys tell us what you think. Should we leave it here or should we move it?
Yeah. So guys, let us know, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you are still watching us, make sure you just take your time, click on that subscribe button. And for you guys who have subscribed to our channel, guys, I'm telling you, this is the first time that we actually count, like in a week, 20 new subscribers.
Just in 1 week, guys.
You guys, we are proud of you guys.
Is it 20 or
all of you subscribing to our channel, you don't know what you are doing, you are actually supporting us. And all of you watching our videos and liking also.
We really appreciate it.
Things are changing, our life is changing as well.
If you watched this video and you liked it, you guys, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this video and make sure you hit on that subscribe button, so when we post a video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and hit on the notification bell, so each time we post a video you are notified. You guys, tell us what you think about our house, our bedroom transformation. We love you guys, and thank you for the support.
See you guys on our next video.